Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. This is a coupon CVS haul for this week. You guys, this is a run deal. This deal is valid up until Sunday. Tide is on promotion this week. Also Palmolive. All right, you guys, what you're looking at is 5 transactions. So I did 2 transactions on the Palmolive where I rolled my ECBs that I earned on my last trip to CVS. And that was a even break on those 2 Palmolive bottles. Now these are on promotion, buy 2 get $2 back, but being that I bought these off of 2 different separate accounts, I didn't get the $2 extra to get back when you buy 2. So I rolled ECB, $5 ECB in one transaction, and then I did the same thing in another transaction. So here's my receipt. My out-of-pocket was $0 because I had my ECBs, $5 from each transaction that I previously did at CVS. So I rolled both of those $5 into 2 different transactions. Now the Tide was another 5 transactions. I did almost break even. My out-of-pocket for each one of these was $3.20. One was $3.03 because I had a little bit change extra in my account for my ECBs, my extra care bucks. So 5 transactions, 1 on one card, 1 on one card, 1 on another card, 1 on another card, 1 on another card. Each one, well, 4 out of the 5 was $3.20. I rolled my care pass in that, and I told you guys, if you're not familiar with the care pass, sign up for it. You get a $10 every month in ECBs. Here's another one, $10, pay $3.20. Here's another one, care pass, $10. See that right there, you guys? So I came out of pocket $3.20 on that one. And this one I came out of pocket $3.03 because I had a little change extra in my account. So again, 5 transactions. Sign up for that care pass. You get a monthly $10 reward. Now on these transactions, I didn't get anything back, but that's okay. That's fine. You're not gonna always get cash back on every transaction. Do I shoot for that? Yes, I always try to buy stuff that's gonna give me cash back so I can keep rolling my bucks over into other transactions. Didn't work out for me this week, but I'm fine. I'm happy with the haul that I was able to get. So this was a great haul for this week, Tide promotion. What I want to do is continue to build up my detergent stockpile because it get low, because I have sons that have moved away. They come home, they come shopping. Got one in college, come home, come shopping. So I have to keep these things stacked up. So throughout the summer months, I'm definitely going to be on a grind mode, keeping my stockpile up with my Tide and my Gain and my oil and my Purex, all those name brands that I do like to buy that's always on promotion. And this is definitely the CVS haul. I have to get back into my Walgreens, and I also have to get back to my Family Dollar and my Dollar General. I have been slacking in my macking in that area. So I haven't had as much free time as I used to have. You know, where I would do my runs on Sunday, hit all the stores, but I haven't been able to do that. So I'm just trying to stay afloat right now. So remember to create those accounts. Remember to get your coupons from the Sunday paper, especially the ones that come out the first of the month. You want those newspapers that come out the first of the month because they be stacked with the coupons. That way you can stack your digital coupon along with your manufactured paper coupon. So do not forget that. Stack, stack, stack. I definitely been slacking in that area as well. I have to get back to getting my coupons and keeping them filed up properly and organized and things of that nature. I have not been doing that, but you guys make sure you continue to do that and continue to learn. So this is my CVS haul. Again, good up until Sunday, and they are still valid. So get out there and get these deals. This is SEK the Homesteader. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next channel. Peace. I'm sorry, he said the next channel. That's so funny. I will see you guys in the next video, but sometimes I do see you guys in the next channel because y'all know Crazy Quilting Crafting with SEK is down the road. You guys go check me out over there. Some fun things going on with that channel. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and do share. I will see you guys really soon. Peace.